Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to link your website with Pinterest account. So let's get started. First of all, go to Pinterest, open the Pinterest, and after that tap on your profile picture here, and after that go to settings on the left bottom side, tap on it and find the option claimed account. So first one, you can now link your Instagram and other external accounts to Pinterest. Claim external accounts, tap on it, and here you go. You can claim website or Instagram. So we are doing website, tap on claim. And how you can claim your account. So you have different options. You can add HTML tag or upload HTML file or add TXT file. If you like the video, subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.